Hey, today I'm making a scallop pasta with a white wine sauce. This is everything I'm going to be using today, just a few ingredients. Let's get to the first step. Okay, so over medium-high heat, I got a little bit of olive oil in my skillet. And to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter before I start to sear my scallops on both sides. Okay, here I have my scallops. I just seasoned them with salt and pepper and smoked paprika on both sides. Now I got my heat over medium high and I'm gonna sear them on both sides until they get nice and brown. Once they get nice and golden brown on one side, I'm gonna turn them over and do the other side. Now I just drained a little bit of that olive oil that I had in my skillet out, and now I'm gonna add sun-dried tomatoes, about 2 or 3 of those, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and just a little bit of white onion. And to season this, I'm just gonna use a little seasoned salt, black pepper, and crushed red pepper. Now I turn my heat back up, and to this, to make my sauce, I'm gonna add in 1 bottle of white wine, just a small little bottle. And I'm just gonna let this cook down just to cook that alcohol taste out, and then I'm gonna thicken it up with some more butter. Now I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my scallops on top of my spaghetti. Then I'm gonna add my sauce. Then I'm gonna garnish it with some grated Parmesan. And some green onion. And here is the finished meal: seared scallops with sun-dried tomato and white wine butter sauce.